This guide will help you adjust the graphics settings on your PlayStation 5 for an optimal gaming experience. Follow these simple steps to enhance your visuals and performance. Step 1. Access the settings menu. Navigate to the home screen of your PlayStation 5 and select the gear icon in the top right corner to open the settings menu. Step 2. Select screen and video. In the settings menu, scroll down and choose the screen and video option. This section contains all the display and video output settings for your console. Step 3. Adjust video output. Under the video output tab, you can change the resolution, HDR settings, and other video output options. Choose the settings that best match your display capabilities. Step 4. Configure game presets. Next, go to the game presets section within the screen and video settings. Here you can select your preferred graphics mode, such as performance or resolution, depending on your gaming preference. Step 5. Save and exit. After making your adjustments, ensure you save any changes if prompted. Exit the settings menu and launch your game to experience the new graphics settings. By following these steps, you can easily customize your PlayStation 5 graphics settings for an improved gaming experience. Enjoy your gaming.